LinkedIn's Open to Work feature helps recruiter find you, but once you've got the job, you'll want to remove that banner. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Open to Work on LinkedIn. Let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to head over to your profile. Here you will find the Open to Work option. Go ahead and click on this pencil icon to edit. Now as you can see, your job preferences are over here. Scroll down a bit and you will find the visibility section. Here all LinkedIn members are selected at the moment, which is giving you the Open to Work banner. Now you simply want to select recruiters only, then click on the save option. Once you do that, as you can see, the banner has been removed. If you do not want the recruiters to see this as well, then you again want to click on this pencil icon. Then simply click on the delete option, click on delete again. And in this way, you can easily remove the Open to Work banner. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.